Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export a JSON and CSV file of all IAM users in AWS. Heads up, you'll need to have installed Python and configured the AWS CLI for this to work. I'll link to videos of how to set that up in the description below. All right, let's walk through the script. And this script will be available in the description below. So I'm not going to walk through everything, but we start with our imports here. And you could add any of those that you don't have via pip install command. And then we run the list users command to get all users. And then here we're going to dump all users to this all IAM users.json file. And then we're going to do kind of the same thing to run and extract that all to the IAM users.csv file down here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and run this command. This is python main.py. I've opened it up to the same location there. And then you can see that these IAM users.json and IAM users.csv were both created. All right, that's it for this tutorial. I've showed you how to export a CSV and a JSON of all IAM users. If this solved your problem, please let me know by commenting and liking this video. If you want to support the channel and let me know you're getting some value, please subscribe. All right, thanks all. Happy auditing.